Sengike nayibuza nje ukuthi after i-meeting kaRamaphosa noPhakela benongizwe yini eyabe seyihlukanisa uPhakela uMthakathi nongizwe Mchunu. Ake ngiphinde. After i-meeting eyabizwa uRamaphosa kwaya kuyo ungizwe Mchunu noPhakela uMthakathi nabangani babo. Yini eyabe seyihlukanisa uPhakela uMthakathi kanye nongizwe Mchunu? uMancinza lo welakho wenza i-press briefing mayelana noPhakela uMthakathi owathatha imali kuRamaphosa ngokwama allegations kaMancinza kwi-press briefing. uPhakela uMthakathi wathatha imali kuRamaphosa engango 3 million eyithatha ngokuhlukana half 1.5 million and then another 1.5 million yahlangana yabo 3 million from uRamaphosa. Now uma ngabe uMancinza eqeda nje ukwenza leyo press briefing wabonakala lapha ya kwi-podcast le kangizwe Mchunu, wabonakala lapho uMancinza. Then after leyo podcast, khumbula ukuthi indaba iqalaphi, iqala emamashini bebumbene beyinto eyodwa. Ongizwe Mchunu noPhakela uMthakathi no Mancinza welakho besupporta iMarch and March kaJacinta. From ama-March and March uRamaphosa wabiza i-special meeting la abiza khona amadoda amabili ungizwe Mchunu kanye noPhakela uMthakathi. Kuthiwa ke ungizwe Mchunu wafika kuqala emeetingini kaRamaphosa and then kwase kufonelwa uPhakela uMthakathi naye wafika. Sazi ukuthi kwanikezwa nani kuleyo meeting. Kodwa sezwa nje uRamaphosa esekhipha umyalezo ethi kulabo abazoposta niposte kahle njalo, ningaphosti umbhedo. Asazi ukuthi imuphi lo mbhedo ekwashintshwana ngawo behind the scene. Asidlule lapho. And then number 3 kwaba i-press briefing kaMancinza welakho exposer uPhakela uMthakathi ukuthi udlile uRamaphosa. Unumber 4 uMancinza welakho wabonakala esekwi podcast kangizwe Mchunu le abayenzayo laphana yeMacG. Okay. Unumber 4 uPhakela uMthakathi nongizwe abasabonakali ndawonye. Ikhona ivideo ewubufakazi uPhakela uMthakathi ula eGoli ezomobilizer insizwa lapha ehostela eKatlehong ehamba yedwa ungizwe Mchunu engekho. Phakela uMthakathi ehamba nama bodyguard phela ungizwe Mchunu engekho. Namhlanje njengoba nje kolesithathu kolesine mhla ka 16 July uPhakela uMthakathi. Okay, before namhlanje, yesterday kuqale kwabonakala izithombe uPhakela uMthakathi eyozama uxolo uJacinta ephelezelwa abanewethu engibahloniphayo oMavavo omfokaSikhakhane kanye nezinye insizwa ebezikhona laphana kuleya meeting kuhlanganiswe uPhakela uMthakathi noJacinta beyodala ubumbano laphana, beyodala uxolo uzibonakele izithombe behlangene. Ungizwe Mchunu engekho, uMancinza welakho engekho. Khumbula ukuthi uMancinza welakho wenza i-press briefing expose uPhakela uMthakathi. Number 2 uMancinza welakho from press briefing expose uPhakela uMthakathi usekwi podcast elidwa ungizwe Mchunu. After that sekubonakala uPhakela uMthakathi eGoli koKatlehong ehostela beyomobilize insizwa engekho ungizwe Mchunu. After that sekubonakala ophakela umthakathi eseyodala uxolo ephelezelwa obhuti Mavava beya belapha ya no Jacinta. Akekho ungizwe emchunu njalo kulezo thombe. uMancinza welakho akekho. Number 5 namhlanje sekuyi iMarch mhla ka 16 mhla ka 16 July sekuyi March ye-March and March kubonakala ophakela umthakathi behamba no Jacinta. Ungizwe emchunu akekho. uMancinza welakho akekho. Kungenzeka yini ukuthi information le uMancinza welakho ayeyishare ngesikhathi exposer imeeting yophakela umthakathi no Ramaphosa? Kungenzeka ukuthi information wayeyithathe kungizwe emchunu, ngoba after leyo exposure uMancinza sebonakala nongizwe emchunu kwi-podcast elidwa ungizwe emchunu kaMacG. Kungenzeka yini ukuthi ungizwe emchunu waba yi-informant kaMancinza ukuze uMancinza enze leya press briefing yoku-expose uphakela umthakathi? Kungenzeka yini ukuthi ungizwe emchunu noMancinza vele sebehlukene nophakela umthakathi ngenxa yokuthi ophakela umthakathi bahambile bayothatha imali kumnikazi wamadola kwi-meeting? Okungenzeka ukuthi nongizwe emchunu naye wathatha isamba sakhe kodwa wayesedayisa uphakela ngokuba yi-informant kuMancinza. Bahlukaniswa babangeni, baxatshaniswe yini uphakela umthakathi nongizwe emchunu? Bahlukaniswe yini ungizwe emchunu nophakela umthakathi after i-meeting kaRamaphosa? Babangeni ungizwe emchunu nophakela umthakathi ngoba konke lolu uqhekeko lenzeke after i-meeting kaRamaphosa eyalandelwa i-press briefing kaMancinza welakho. Ungabe ungizwe emchunu yini le embalekisa kuphakela umthakathi njengoba esehambela kude le nophakela umthakathi? Yini le ebalekisa ongizwe emchunu eduze kwaphakela umthakathi? Babangeni ongizwe emchunu nophakela umthakathi? Okwenuka ukuphendula lo mbuzo ma-South African. Asidibane kwi-comment section. Thank you.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Nangu Max Makhanya ukhuluma ngendaba yokuthi ngathi kune-beef between uphakela umthakathi nongizwe emchunu. Nokuthi uphakela nongizwe bana bahlezi bahamba phambili about chasing away ma-illegal foreigners eMzansi, and usola kokuthi ngazi ukuthi abasathelelani mandi ngemva kwemeeting yabo laba benayo na Ramaphosa, and abantu abaningi they just don't seem to believe this. Mhlampe nje kuyadendakalela ukuthi babe etindzaweni letihlukile because it's not the first time sikubona lokho. But ke uMax Makhanya believes ukuthi kune-beef lekhona between uphakela umthakathi and ungizwe emchunu. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.